Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today you're about to witness something that defies imagination. The 2026 Mercedes Zetros. This isn't just a truck. It's a $5 million rolling fortress, blending brute off-road power with unmatched luxury and comfort. From the moment you see it, you'll know this isn't an ordinary vehicle. It's a masterpiece engineered for those who want to conquer the toughest terrains. Without compromising on style, sophistication, or safety. Buckle up, because what's inside will completely blow your mind. At first glance, the Zetros is intimidating. Its massive tires, armored lines, and high-clearance suspension give it a dominating presence, ready to tackle deserts, mountains, or even urban jungles with ease. Every detail speaks to durability, strength, and the kind of confidence only Mercedes can deliver. But while it looks like a beast outside, the real magic begins once you step inside. Inside, Mercedes has taken luxury to a level most motorhomes can only dream of. Imagine a full-sized kitchen with premium appliances, a master bedroom that rivals the suites of five-star hotels, and ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood for any time of day. Every seat, every surface, every feature is designed for comfort and convenience, creating a space that feels more like a private mansion than a vehicle. The advanced climate control ensures the perfect temperature no matter the environment, while the smart entertainment system keeps you connected and relaxed wherever you go. Technology in the Zetros is equally astonishing. Touchscreen controls, satellite navigation, and a fully integrated infotainment system allow you to manage every function effortlessly. Safety is at the core with adaptive cruise control, terrain sensing systems, and reinforced body structures, giving you total confidence, even in the harshest conditions. This is a vehicle that combines power, precision, and intelligence in ways that redefine what an off-road motorhome can be. But the Zetros isn't just luxury. It's built for adventure. Solar panels, water tanks, off-grid power systems, and secure storage mean you can survive and thrive anywhere, from remote deserts to icy mountain passes, without ever sacrificing comfort. It's a rolling fortress designed for those who demand both performance and extravagance. Whether you're a luxury enthusiast, an off-road adventurer, or simply someone who loves extraordinary engineering, the 2026 Mercedes Zetros will leave you speechless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon here at Auto Plus to stay updated on the world's most incredible vehicles. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we bring next.